If you have ever struggled with nerve pain, anxiety, tingling sensations, numbness, or poor memory, this video is for you. Welcome to Streams of Health, where we heal naturally. Before we begin, please remember, I am not a medical doctor or a medical professional. I am a pure herbalist giving out my knowledge to help someone out there heal naturally. I am very knowledgeable about herbs and how they work in the body, and many people have healed through me and also through my teachings. All information shared in this video is for educational purposes only and should not replace advice from your healthcare provider. Always consult your doctor before making any major changes to your diet, lifestyle, or supplement routine. Now, let's begin. Your nervous system controls every movement, thought, and emotion in your body. When your nerves are weak or damaged, you may experience fatigue, brain fog, muscle weakness, and even chronic pain. But the good news is your nerves can heal naturally with the right nutrition and lifestyle support. Today we are diving deep into 6 natural drinks that can help repair, regenerate, and strengthen your nervous system naturally. These drinks are backed by science and have been used for centuries to calm the mind, reduce inflammation, and promote nerve regeneration. Watch this video till the end, because number 6 is one of the most powerful nerve healing drinks you can ever take. Let's begin with the first drink. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is known as the ultimate calming tea. It reduces inflammation in the brain and soothes the nervous system naturally. This ancient herb contains apigenin, which binds to specific receptors in your brain, helping to ease anxiety and improve sleep. Drinking chamomile tea before bedtime helps calm overactive nerves and supports deep restorative rest, which is essential for nerve repair. It also helps reduce oxidative stress, one of the major causes of nerve damage in the body. If you deal with restlessness or insomnia, drink 1 cup of warm chamomile tea each night before bed, and you will start to notice improved relaxation and nerve balance over time. Second drink. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, which help protect nerve cells from damage and premature aging. It boosts brain function, enhances alertness, and improves memory retention. The powerful compound L-theanine in green tea helps calm your mind without causing drowsiness. This makes it perfect for reducing anxiety while keeping you focused and energized. Drinking 2 cups of green tea daily helps support your central nervous system and shields your brain cells from toxins and free radicals. It also enhances dopamine and serotonin levels, which are vital for maintaining a positive mood and healthy nerve communication. Third drink. Golden milk. Golden milk is a traditional Indian remedy made by mixing turmeric with warm milk. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound that fights oxidative stress, the main reason for nerve damage. It helps regenerate nerve cells, improves brain function, and boosts overall nerve resilience. Adding black pepper to your golden milk enhances curcumin absorption in the body, making it even more effective. This soothing drink is best enjoyed warm at night to relax your mind, relieve pain, and promote healing throughout the nervous system. Many people who drink golden milk regularly report improved mood, reduced joint pain, and sharper mental clarity. Fourth drink. Fresh beet juice. Beet juice is a natural powerhouse for nerve and brain health. It is loaded with nitrates that improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to the brain and peripheral nerves. Better circulation means your nerve cells receive more nutrients and oxygen to function optimally. Beet juice also contains betaine and folate, two nutrients essential for protecting nerve fibers and repairing damaged cells. If you experience brain fog or slow reflexes, fresh beet juice can help improve alertness and nerve response speed. Drink 1 glass of fresh beet juice in the morning to energize your brain and strengthen your nervous system naturally. 5th drink. Blueberry smoothies. Blueberries are one of the best superfoods for brain and nerve health. They are packed with anthocyanins, antioxidants that repair and protect nerve tissues from inflammation and oxidative stress. These compounds help stimulate the growth of new nerve cells and improve memory and coordination. A blueberry smoothie made with fresh berries, plant-based milk, and a touch of honey makes a delicious and healing drink. It also supports your immune system and promotes better communication between the brain and body. Blueberries are proven to slow cognitive decline and help maintain sharp focus and emotional balance. And now for the 6th drink. Bone broth. Bone broth is rich in collagen, amino acids, and essential minerals that rebuild the protective myelin sheath around your nerves. The myelin sheath is like insulation for electrical wires in your body, helping nerve signals travel smoothly and efficiently. When it becomes weak or damaged, nerve pain, numbness, and slow reflexes can occur. Bone broth provides the raw materials your body needs to repair and restore this protective layer. It also supports joint health, boosts gut function, and enhances overall body healing. Drink a warm cup of bone broth daily, preferably homemade or from a high-quality organic source, to nourish your entire nervous system from the inside out. These 6 natural drinks, when taken consistently, can transform your nerve health and mental clarity. They help reduce inflammation, improve circulation, balance neurotransmitters, and promote natural nerve regeneration. But remember, healing your nerves takes consistency, patience, and lifestyle balance. Combine these drinks with enough sleep, gentle exercise like yoga or walking, and a nutrient-rich diet to maximize your recovery. Avoid processed foods, sugar, alcohol, and caffeine, which can worsen nerve inflammation. Your nervous system deserves care, attention, and nourishment. These drinks are not just remedies. They are nature's medicine, working in harmony with your body to restore balance, peace, and strength. If you stay consistent, you will notice less anxiety, improved focus, better sleep, and reduced nerve pain. Nature truly provides everything we need for healing. This is where we bring today's teaching to an end. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs this information. Subscribe to this channel for more natural health videos like this. Bye for now and stay healthy.